Let us hear from our 4 graduates what they feel about RIT and their journey in RIT. To begin with, I invite Mr. Amir Syed, MTech Construction Management graduate, followed by Sumit Singh Chopdar, BTech Electrical graduate, then Pranita Bargaje, BTech ENTC graduate, and Ms. Sanjeevani Patil, BTech CSE graduate.
Hello everyone, honorable dignitaries, parents, and my dear friends who have gathered here virtually for the most important function of a graduate's life, that is the graduation ceremony. It's been almost 2.5 years since I first stepped in this institute, and these have been the most amazing days of my student life. To be honest, I was a bit skeptical when I first entered this institute, but right from the very beginning, the staff has been very humble, and that boosted my confidence. Everything from infrastructure to all the modern facilities, I found RIT to be on the lead. Right from the most updated and advanced syllabus to highly qualified and well-experienced staff, RIT has proved its mettle. My favorite part in the campus being the central library is indeed one of the best libraries I have ever seen. Also, the support of civil department in terms of curricular as well as extracurricular activities has been beneficial, especially the insights given by our beloved director, Dr. Mrs. S.S. Kulkarni ma'am, HOD Kumbhar sir, HOP Professor D.S. Patil have been beneficial in my dissertation phase. So to sum it up, I would say that RIT has been the best decision of my academic life. I would like to express my gratitude towards the stakeholders who have contributed directly and indirectly in my academic career. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sanjeevani Patil, 2020 batch pass out student of CSE department. As we all know, college is one of the unforgettable memory of all the students, as friendship, then learning experience in the campus makes it unforgettable. I was from a small town, so it was completely a whole new experience for me. But then as time passes, RIT became my second home. During the college life, we have to make so many important decisions as it impacts on our career. In RIT, they educate us in a very creative way and encourage students to think out of box so they can achieve their dreams. And in RIT, I found that they teach us in a very creative way. My growth started from the RIT, and it would not be possible without such a supportive faculties. They are such amazing professors, and they will stand by you from the first day of college to the end of academics and placement days. Other than academics, there are different clubs available for students, which helps in student growth. Also, we have such a beautiful and rich library for study, and also there are a lot of books available, not related to only curriculum, but also other books as well available there. And during main important part of life, that is placement, RIT gives you the internship and placements in a very reputed company. In the time of placement, the RIT placement cell provides you different preparatory sessions so that students can come up with their best. And during the college time, all the faculty, professors, and college management were very helpful, and they are very kind. I hope RIT goes on doing such a great things and help students achieve their thing. I feel very blessed to be part of RIT.
Greetings of peace and a warm afternoon to one and all present here. I am Ketaki Kole delivering you a graduation speech. Graduation is not an end, it's just a beginning. Our batch of 2020 realizes that we need to work delightfully and with purpose. Our future surely looks very bright that RIT has molded us in. RIT has molded us into a successful leader. My initiation in co-curricular activities like Netra, Android Club helped me in synchronizing theory with practicality. It improves my interpersonal skills. RIT has one of the best library which is available for 24/7. RIT has provided us the best infrastructure for education and for the extracurricular activities like well-equipped gyms, running tracks, badminton coach, etc. IT department has advanced courses in their curriculum like machine learning, blockchain, IoT, etc., which helped us to upgrading our knowledge as per the industrial requirement. We are all grateful to the teachers for their priceless effort. I want to thank all the teachers and non-teaching staff for their contribution towards us. I want to thank the dynamic and energetic director ma'am for their helpfulness nature. Finally, congratulations graduate and all the best for your future journey. Thank you.
On behalf of the graduating class of 2020, me, Pranita Vargaje, thankful to you all for celebrating this special day with us. 4 years back, each one of us made the firm decision to pursue a graduation in our beloved institute RIT. In 2017, I had taken the admission as a direct year entrant in Electronics and Telecommunication department. That experience as a DSY student was very great for me because all the professors and some of the regular batch students made our short-term semester very easy. In the middle of it, some of us wanted to give up. Some of us wanted to pack our bags and books and go home. Honestly, that would have been easier choice, but we stuck through it all thick and thin. Professor helped us with the extra classes, extra practicals, and their guidance and extra time spent on us made our short-term semester very easy. Life is a complex phenomenon for some, and for others, it was like a walk in the park. For us, it was like a walk in the classrooms, reading halls, libraries in RIT, the social events we organize to bond and to start the everlasting friendship. Today, we gather here to celebrate our special success. One we can raise our heads high that we all overcome all the challenges that life threw at us in the past 3 to 4 years. It has not been easy, but we are at the end of this race with lots of hurdles. I want to encourage you to use the same spirit that you have shown, same spirit that you have used in the lots of problems and that sleepless nights you have spent. Some of us came to this dream institute with expectations high or low, but graduating today tells me only one thing, that our expectations have been made. The ball has been thrown at us to transfer our societies, our communities and the humanities in general. It is said that education is the key to success. I would like to add that transformative education is the candle that lights our paths when darkness shows its ugly face. It is the key that opens the door out of despair. It is the key that strengthens the hope, and that key is provided by RIT. RIT provides industrial training program for the last semester, and that will gives you the challenges that you have to face in the actual work environment. Currently, I am working in the TCS company, and that opportunity RIT provided to me through the campus selection. As this chapter in our lives ends and we are on to the new one, it is the right moment to thank all the people that have been there for us along the way. To all the professors for their guidance, that throughout the years you have done your part. To conclude, I would like to say, maybe from decade we will not remember some theories that we have learned in the class, but we will remember the love we shared here. At the end of the day, it is this love for us, for our friends, families and humanities that we'll remember and that will change our lives. Thank you.
I'm Chinmay Mohan Pandit, a student of MTech Mechanical Design Engineering from 2020 batch. Today I'm greatly honored to be here with you all on this jubilant occasion, and I'm very thankful to you for this opportunity. Over the 2 years I was here, and I have learned a lot concerning the studies and the skills that a mechanical design engineer needs to have. But I want to specially mention that along with the theoretical concepts, we have got a large exposure towards the practical and industrial knowledge through the term papers, project assignments, internships and the training, industrial trainings. So thanks RIT for these great learnings. When I first came here, I was only the girl student in my class, and at that time I felt it was my share of discomfort and challenge, but I decided to only focus on my studies, and I think it's these challenges that has made me more stronger and confident today. During these challenges, I got a great support from all my professors, staff and my classmates. My guide, Dr. Professor Mandle sir, he has always encouraged me to push my limits. It was for taking the initiative for making the patent of my mini project, for my internship in Cummins Technical Center, India, and for mega project also. So I'm very grateful to all my professors who acted as guiding stars in shaping my life on the right path. And the last thing, on behalf of my MTech 2020 design batch, I would like to assure to all my professors, our director of RIT and and all MTech design staff that we will never give up in any challenging situations. We will face it courageously, and we will be successful. We will implement all the things that you have imparted to us, and I think you all have a great share in our lives for our continuous professional development. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sumit Sobdar. I hope everyone is doing well and good in this pandemic times. First of all, I would like to say thank you to the organizing committee for giving me this opportunity to express my feedback and share my views. RIT was my second home for the 3 years that I have spent here, and after completion of my diploma program, the time that I have spent here was full of memories and happiness. It was surely the best period in my life, the golden era and the best time span where a lot of memories are built and experience is gained. And if I have to talk about the faculties in RIT, they are always there whenever you need the help. They have been helpful throughout the BTech journey, and as usual, a common experience for a direct second year admitted student, the first semester in RIT was the toughest semester for me, but because of the help and guidance of the faculty members, I managed to pass through that period. RIT always try and test new things and new activities. I was fortunate enough to study one semester in Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli under student exchange program that was carried out by RIT. Thanks to RIT for this. And if I have to talk about the class of 2020, yes, we graduated on the outbreak of a global pandemic. Yes, all odds were there on our path, but we still faced them with courage and discipline. And this is only because of the strong academic discipline of RIT.